back and I'm ready to do some Pokemon Insurgence Egglocke. Let's get started. I want to warn you guys. I did have actually, no, I didn't. Now that I think about it. Um, I grinded a little and left the. And I remember there being. Here it is. Oh, I forgot to turn on. Wait, do you have Lightning Rod, Tesla? Oh, yeah, static. If I keep Predator in, he's gonna die. I also changed my character if you couldn't see on screen at the time. Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. Oh, well, I thought it was gonna be harder than that, but okay. It's gonna be an egg token anyway, so there's no point. No, don't. Well, he's already there anyway. I mean, he's already dead, technically. Now, I forgot there was a turbo option. I forgot where it is. I don't remember. What the hell? Okay, guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to reset. That Rotom's gonna. That Rotom's got to be a part of that. That was ridiculous. And I knew that Rotom was going to be there, by the way. This isn't my first rodeo. Not only that, I saw it on Tyranitar Tube's Nuzlocke of this game. That reminds me. I'm going to need more balls. Better ones at that. So it's that building top left. I'm glad I can remember that one now, because I can hardly remember my left and my right. Oh, please tell me you sell Pokeballs, my dude. Yeah, he sells normal ass ones. Uncle, come again. Sorry. I'm not trying to offend anyone while doing when I did that joke. It was just it just it was just a it was just a thing in my head at the time, and I needed to do it. Also, what the fuck is this woman doing here? And welcome to the oh I did not. Oh wait, I don't look any different. Oh, she's got the cute shortcut. Okay, I'm keeping it like that. You know, my character's starting to look a lot like what's her name, Natsuki from Doki Doki Literature Club, and she looks adorable. I'm going to keep this hairstyle like this. Well, there's a little something for you all that don't know a lot about Pokemon Insurgence. I'm pretty sure all of you know that by now, but hey, what am I? I'm just a little spark in this. Wait. Oh yeah, it's probably over here. Wait, no, no, no. I was in the right spot. Right. God, this city is so confusing. I guess I just look for a house that has a why not in it. Like it's this one. Yes, it is. I'm starting to think I should quick save more often. I'm going to get you, Rotom. You can't prolong the inevitable. I'm getting this fucking Rotom. You are going to come out of that damn TV, Rotom. There you go. See, I knew you'd come out of that damn TV. And no, I don't believe this is a violation of the rules of a Nuzlocke. Whoa! Oh, damn it! Okay, I know Pokemon are meant to be like egg tokens in an Egglocke, but you know what would be cool? If you like train them and then had like the different EVs for that said Pokemon, and then those EVs pass off to like the egg that you get. That's just my personal opinion for it. Others may view it differently. Oh, come on, Rotom! You're getting powerful for no reason. Why can't we be friends? 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 Son of a bitch. Oh, god damn it! You're just gonna max out your evasion. For no reason. Finally! Thank you, Predator. Now I'm gonna make a beeline for the Pokemon Center. Forget that's a pull. Now, having two ice types on the team is not the greatest of plans, so I'm gonna deposit one Pokemon. I don't know who though. Oh god, they're dead. Ah, here we go. I'm gonna put you here. What? Hmm. Um, if you guys could excuse me for a brief moment, I gotta testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Can you all hear me? All right. Well, give me a moment, guys. I'm gonna look at the eggs. Maybe give me like a hold up. I want to look up. I want to look at my team composition right now, and then kind of look towards the future for a little bit. Like an electric type, ice and dark, pure fighting, fire rock, water. Okay, so I'm gonna look for me a. I don't know what Pokemon I want, but yeah, nah. I was gonna look on the wiki and kind of cheat a little, but I've decided against it, I guess. Wait, what was that one? Terry. I'm gonna take that one. Because I've. Don't get me wrong, but I believe it's an Aerodactyl. And if this is not an Aerodactyl, I'm gonna lose my shit. It is an Aerodactyl! I didn't need to look at the wiki for that. Like, dead ass. We'll put you. I'm a be a friend. Okay, what moves do you have to use Roar? Assurance, Bite, Wing Attack. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of Bite. You know what? No, I'm gonna keep. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna bite me in the ass. I feel like Assurance would be perfect, but I've never really used. You know what? As useful as it would probably be, I'm not gonna use it. Now I'm gonna take a quick look-see doodle at the wiki and look at what I could have got. Um. Oh, I missed out on an EV for. Well, I mean, I got a powerful Pokemon out of it in the form of Aerodactyl. So, it's got a choice band. Well, I mean, it can. It's really fast as is. Let me just move this down to here. I'm tempted to take that job up there at the TV station on this game, but you know what? I'll take it. I'm just I'm just scared that that I know the first mission for this little bit thingy of like the TV thing. I don't know how to fully explain it. God, Terry is a monstrosity behind me. I mean, look at this. A little girl with pink hair, cat ears, and a like what is this? I forgot what like jumpsuit I'm wearing or whatever in this game. Hold up. It's the Lord suit. Oh, my bad. Could look so intimidating in front of a fucking Aerodactyl. I mean, come on. That an Aerodactyl is not a woman's Pokemon if you think about it. Now I'm just gonna quick save slash normal save so I don't lose my precious winged tooth monstrosity. I am a trainer, actually. If you can't see by the giant ass bird behind me with teeth, I'm willing to help. Not only do I get wait, do I get paid in this game for it? There you are. Ooh! Axu, all I ask is to stay in the ball. Listen, I'm please. I'm not asking you. I'm begging you now, or really, really pleading. No! Don't you dare use Dragon Rage! No, 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 me, not me. That's not how that works. Okay, here's the rule for me, okay? I don't care what the rule is. I want that. You know what? I've already tried it once. I'm not willing to try it again. Oh, wrong profile. Listen, guys, I really wanted that Axio, but it looks like I'm not gonna get the Axio because I don't have the Pokeballs for it. And I'm not willing to lose a Pokemon I just got over a Pokemon I could get and just never use. So I'm just gonna skip out on the job. If y'all don't like it, well, tough luck. I don't have the Pokemon nor the time. I don't have the right Pokeballs nor the time for this shit. So how long has this thing been running? 28 minutes. That really pisses me off. All right. Sorry. Had to see if my brother was home or not. All right. I'm taking that choice band from you, Terry. And I'm also taking it from you, Ruby, as much as you really need it. Why does it sound like a... You're already dead. No point in working up. Excuse me? Could somebody explain to me why that thing sounds like a Delphox? It's only good for one turn, so and if someone has Encore, it could run me into a trap. So I'ma just keep my moveset as is. Damn, Ruby overpowered. If a good, I mean, don't get me wrong. I could be wrong. That this guy over here has grass types. I have, like I said, been wrong before. I am wrong. I owe you guys $10. Actually, what level is this thing? 20? I'm gonna throw Poseidon out. Hope this thing doesn't have energy ball. Oh, it's got fire spin though. I don't think I have any potions, do I? I have one super potion. It's a Heal Ruby. No, Poseidon. Damn it. Fire spin doesn't leave until he leaves the field. Now I'm confused. No, Poseidon's gonna die! Crit this thing! Crit it! Freed from fire spin. Thank God. Ruby. You live to swim another day, Poseidon. Just hit it. One time to hit it. Just hit it once. Snap out of confusion and use Rock Tomb. Is that an RKO? I feel like it's an RKO. It's a Nummel. I'm using Terry. Wow, Terry's actually really good. Imagine if he was my starter. Wait, why is... Oh yeah, I put Isis up front. I'm putting Terry up front. I'm not. I do not. Okay. Oh wait. There's no way. There's nowhere to go that way. Basically, you guys don't know this, but in the lore of this universe, Terry slowed me down. You know what? Hold up. Do I have any other held items? Choice band, magnet, charcoal, spell tag. Oh yeah, you got a life orb. Wait, did it? Oh, I didn't heal. Okay, I'm gonna carry my baby boy Poseidon in. Oh, my bad. Baby girl Poseidon in. And if the next trainer does not have a fire type, I'm gonna swap her instantly out for Ruby. Alright, actually.
This gym's perfect for Terry, actually. Just realizing that. Yeah, he's got a Darumaka. Oh, that's a. How do you? Never mind. Joke's on you. I have a rock. Let me see here. I'm just throwing Poseidon out to get the EXP. I know this thing shouldn't have anything dangerous, but with how poorly I train my Pokemon, I'm pretty sure I can get the smoke from even the weakest, including Simisear. Yeah, Ruby! I gotta check how much. I don't need stat ups. For this case, I kick your ass. Oh no, Terry's burned! I need to heal him ASAP. Oh wait, I got a burn heal! Numa flinched! Wow. This entire gym just happened? Well, I'm gonna call it quits for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you understand my rules, besides the fact that I skipped out on a fucking Axio. Um, Thank you guys so much for watching. It's the Dark Narcomi. Well, signing off.